Hi everyone, myself Nehran Nazar, and today we are going to take a presentation on the topic ethical implications of AI and machine learning. So, moving on to the first slide, we are discussing about AI. So, AI is actually the development of computer system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence such as perception, reasoning, learning and decision making. ML is actually a subset of AI which is focusing on algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. So, various examples of AI and ML applications include image recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. So, this slide is actually emphasizing the growing importance of AI and ML in various industries and their impact on society. So, the next slide, we are exploring the implications of AI and ML in terms of automation and job displacement. So, with the increasing use of AI and ML technologies, there is a concern that certain tasks and jobs traditionally performed by the humans may be automated, means leading to the job losing or significant changes in job roles. So, this slide is actually highlighting the need for individuals to upskill or reskill to adapt the evolving landscape. It also discusses the potential creation of new jobs in AI and ML, emphasizing the importance of proactive measures such as education, training programs, as well as social and economic support systems to assist in job transition. Now, the next slide, we are discussing about the biases that can arise in AI and ML algorithms. So, it explains that biases can occur when data used to train these algorithms is unrepresentative or contain inherent biases. So, this slide is actually emphasizing that biased AI systems can perpetuate discrimination and negatively impact marginalized communities and underrepresented groups. So, to mitigate bias, the slide emphasizes the importance of diversity in data collection and algorithm development. So, ensuring that data sources are representative of the target population. So, it is also discussing the need for fairness and equity consideration in algorithmic decision making, highlighting techniques such as bias detection and removal, as well as ongoing monitoring and evaluation. Yeah. And the next slide is about the privacy and data security. So it's explaining that this AI and ML systems often rely on vast amount of personal data to learn and make predictions. So this slide is actually highlighting the potential risk associated with data breaches, so unauthorized access and privacy violations. So it emphasizes the ethical consideration involved in handling and storing sensitive data, including the importance of data anonymization, encryption, and secure storage practices. So, additionally, this slide is emphasizing the need for regulatory frameworks and privacy laws to protect individual rights and ensure accountability in use of AI and ML technologies. Now, the fifth slide, we are focusing on the next implications of AI and ML, that is healthcare and medical applications. So, it is explaining how AI and ML advancement have the potential to improve disease diagnosis, treatment prediction, and personalized medicine. So, this slide is actually highlighting the ability of AI and ML algorithm to analyze large amount of medical data, identify the patterns, and provide insights for better healthcare outcomes. So it also addresses the ethical considerations related to human privacy, patient consent, and a responsible use of AI and ML in healthcare. So, the challenges and opportunities in integrating these technologies into healthcare systems, such as regulatory compliance and interoperability, are also discussed in this slide. Now, the next slide is about transportation and autonomous vehicles. So it actually there is a development of self-driving cars and other autonomous systems leading to the enhanced safety, efficiency and reduced congestions on roads. So this slide is also discussing the ethical dilemmas associated with decision making algorithms in autonomous vehicles such as trolley problems. So it also addresses the legal and regulatory challenges involved in the adoption of autonomous vehicles, including the liability and insurance considerations. So it's actually highlighting, this slide is highlighting the potential impact of autonomous vehicles on transportation infrastructure and urban planning. The seventh slide is about how AI and ML improve customer experiences through personalization. So it's explaining that AI powered system can analyze vast amount of customer data to provide tailored recommendations, personalized marketing strategies and enhance customer support through chatbots and virtual assistants. So this slide is actually discussing the data-driven insights derived from AI and ML algorithms, which help businesses understand customer behavior preferences and needs. So it's also addressing the ethical consideration surrounding data collection, user consent, and the responsible use of customer data to ensure the transparency, privacy, and the trust. Now, on the next slide, this is actually highlighting one of the implications of AI and ML in the field of cybersecurity and fraud detection. So it explains how that AI and ML techniques can be powerful tools for identifying and mitigating cyber threats. That is, these technologies can actually detect patterns and anomalies and suspicious activities to enhance cybersecurity defenses. So, however, this slide is also mentioning that the potential risk associated with AI-driven cyber attacks, where malicious actors can utilize AI to launch sophisticated attacks. So, actually, this slide is discussing the ethical consideration in AI-driven cybersecurity, such as preserving privacy while ensuring robust security measures. It is also emphasizing the need to strike a balance between protecting sensitive information and maintaining effective cybersecurity measures. Now, the next slide is about the social and ethical impact. So AI and ML technology can influence social interactions, relationships, and cultural dynamics. So this slide is actually addressing the ethical dilemmas that arise from the autonomous decision-making systems, such as self-learning algorithms making choices that impact individuals or society. So it's highlighting the potential implications for AI, like for social inequality and digital divide, where certain groups may have limited access to or benefit from AI and ML technologies. So it's actually emphasizing the responsibility and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems and the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration to address the societal impacts and ensure ethical consideration are integrated into the technology's design and use. The last slide is about it is actually providing an outlook on the future implications of AI and ML. So it's explaining that continuous advancement in these technology will lead to further transformative changes across various sectors. So this slide is actually emphasizing the need for responsible AI development and governance to address the challenges and maximize the benefit. It discusses the importance of education and training programs to promote AI and ML literacy, enabling individuals to understand and adapt to these technologies. The slide is also highlighting the significance of collaboration between industry, academia, and policymakers to establish ethical guidelines, regulatory frameworks, and standards. It also concludes with a call to action for audience to consider the implications of AI and ML in all sectors and actively participate in shaping their responsible implementation. So by this, I'm concluding my presentation. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.